Let them take the seats to the front.
Wind the hat.
Granny, Grandpa, we're going to Budapest.
What? What's your request?
No, no request. Budapest.
Wow, that's nice.
What? Have you seen mice?
No, not nice. No, not mice. Nice.
Oh, and what are you going to? What are you doing in Budapest?
That's a learning tool that we're going to acquire there. As education makes lots of experience.
Oh, while the cat is away, whilst I play.
Don't let the cat out of the bag.
Who's that?
Oh, that's Mom.
What? Mom is dead?
No, I'm fine, and I'm going with you, because Learnathon is a very innovative event.